I am explaining the star stitch in this video. Make a chain of odd numbers. Skip first chain, pull a loop through 5 chains. We have 6 loops on the hook. Yarn over and draw a loop from all loops. Make a chain to secure the stitch. To start the next star stitch, pull a loop from chain, second loop from the center of previous star, third loop from this chain, two loops from the next 2 chains, yarn over and draw a loop from all loops on the hook. Make a chain to secure all loops. I am working on the 3rd star stitch. Pull the first loop from the chain, second loop from the center of previous star, third loop from this chain, 2 loops from next 2 chains. Yarn over and draw a loop from all loops on the hook. Make a chain to secure all loops. Continue making more start stitches in this row. Finish the row with a double crochet stitch. Start the second row with a chain. Make 2 single crochets in the eye of each star stitch. Keep repeating the sequence. Turn your work. Make 4 chains. Skip first chain. Pull a loop through 5 chains. Make a chain to secure all loops. Continue making more start stitches in this row.
Watch more videos like this one at learncrochet.com.